Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm called Rashida. If you're seeing me for the first time, you are so welcome on my channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm here to show you how our wooden door frames look like. But the bad thing is the frames have been delivered when I'm not at the site. So I missed when they were offloading them from the truck, but nevertheless I'm here at the site now and I want to show you how they look like. Guys, so far I love how the frames have come out. So I'm going to show you the frames, then maybe tomorrow after installing them I'll show you how they look like. Then after, I'll let you know the price of each wooden door frame we have, because the price is not the same. Some frames are big compared to the others. So guys, without talking that much, let me show you how our wooden door frames look like. I hope you enjoy the video of the frames and the cost of the frames. In case you have, please subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment down below and don't forget to give this video a thumb up. So let's start. So guys, let us go inside and I show you how our wooden door frames look like. But as I've told you, I love how the carpenter has done this wood. So guys, the wooden door frames were done from Nabingo. The workshop is in Nabingo and they were delivered this side of Gayaza Road. Nze noonya omuntu omulungi gy'abeera ali. As I told you in all my previous videos, this window and door frames of ours, they were made from Natete and they were delivered to Gayaza or Manyangwa. So for the wooden door frames, bazikoledde Nabingo kubanga be balina ebisinga. Nze nnoonya omuntu gy'ali oba aliriddawo oba ali wala wa kasita aba ng'akola ekirungi. I rather put in transportation fee than omuntu okunkolera ekintu ekitali kirungi. So omuti gwe bakozesezza mahogany. Guys, I have been collected. I thought they used mahogany, but they have told me for the wood they used mogavu. Yeah, so for the wood it's mogavu which they used. According to the carpenter, the mahogany is no longer in the market. So from mahogany, the good wood which they can use is mogavu. Okay, so let us go inside and I show you how the wooden door frames look like. Between we still have these ones. These are supposed to go to the toilet. Yeah, that's for the bathroom window. Then this one, it's for the one of the toilet. Then the other one, this bagala you see there, it's for the entrance of the toilet. The entrance is going to have a bagala door. Then this door for the toilet. Then that bagala window for the bathroom. Okay. So guys, ta-da! We are here. You see guys, yeah, as I told you, the measurements, these measurements are not these normal measurements. Emyango gyaffe migazi. So this one of these, the one you see which is so big, it's going to go at the entrance. Okay, the entrance which separates the kitchen and the pantry. Yeah, then even this big one, it's for the entrance of the laundry room. So we have these big two wooden door frames. Then these ones are of the same size. I think you get a clear picture of these wooden door frames when we have installed in, like when they are already installed in. For now, this is what we have, guys. You see? Yeah, this is what we have. We have 9 door frames. Then this side, we decided to purchase a door. Yeah, so enzigi zaffe zonna zigenda bazifaanana bwe zityo. Yeah, guys, that door is expensive. Oluggi lwa bbeeyi, naye simanyi oluggi lujja bba lwa bbeeyi bwe lutyo, naye lwa bbeeyi. And that's the design I chose. Mr. yangambye nnonde design gye njagala, so I chose that one. I think it's a good design. So all our doors are going to be in that design. So this is what we have. Guys, the reason why we decided to purchase one of the door we have caretakers here. So we want to close one of the room so that it works as our personal storage room. That's why we decided to purchase this door. So when they install in the door frames, within our color, so this door will be installed in, then we put on a locker, then I lock that room for security of our materials here at the house. Okay, so guys, that's it for now. Let's wait when they install in the frames, then I'll give you the final look of how they look like. Then this side we are still working on the floor. So that's it guys for now. So guys, we started the installing in the wooden door frames. So they started from the bedroom. Yeah, from the master bedroom. You see? Yeah, they are installing in the wooden door frames. So I'm going to give you this journey as well as they install in our door frames. Then after, I will show you the final look of the house. Between the floor has been finished. Yeah, so the whole house now has floor. Yeah, so that's it for now. I'll give you the continuation later. So guys, okay, let me first give you this close up here and you see. So this is the entrance from the, here I'm standing in the kitchen. So that's the entrance of the pantry. Then the other side where they are working on, it's the entrance of the laundry room. So this entrance, the entrance to the pantry, okay, the entrance which separates the kitchen and the pantry, then the laundry room, they have big wooden door frames. Okay, let me show it to you here. You see, this is the frame, and that's how big it is. It's so big. We decided to give these rooms, the pantry and the laundry, a big wooden door frames so that they could bring out the beauty from the dining area to the kitchen, then the pantry. Then others are working this side. Let me show you this side. You see, here, this is the master bedroom. Yeah, so far it has been installed in. The only thing remaining is to cover these walls. So far this is it. Let me take you inside. So I have to be careful when entering. So you see, guys, yeah, this is the view here. You see, the master bathroom, then the master entrance. That's what we have. So far, it's looking so cute. You see, guys? Yeah, so that's it. You see, guys? I have a video here. No, I don't have a video. I was going to lie to you that I have a video of how much we bought the wooden door frames, but I'll give you the accountability of how much we bought them. Yeah, as time goes on, let me first record this video, and I see then in the evening when they done the installation, then I'll give you the price of each wooden door frame. Yeah, because the price is not the same, being that some are big, like the other ones in the pantry and laundry room. So these ones, they are not the normal, okay, according to the carpenter who worked on them, he told us that the wooden door frames, they have a normal measurements, but these ones, ours, they are not the normal measurements. Zo mpanvu, like emyango miwanvu okusinziira ku normal measurements ze batera okukola, you understand? So that's it so far. Yeah, I'll give you the progress later on. Let me give you just the view of my dining, of my bedroom. Between, I was told the bedroom is the biggest room in this house. Yeah, the master bedroom is the biggest room in this house. So this is the view. Yeah, this is it. So guys, more progress. Yes, I'm here. I'm still here at the site. Yeah, showing you the progress. You see, guys, they haven't yet. Okay, they have just fit. Is it fitting in the door frames? Yeah, tebannazimba byeno ebbali, but so far it shows a great improvement. It's so far looking cute. Yeah, so this is what we have, guys. This is the view of what we have here. You see? Then let me enter here. Nyingireko eno munda mpola mpola sigwa nabyo. Sorry. So here I'm in the laundry room. Yeah, this is the laundry room, and this is what we have here. Okay. This is what we have. When I stand in the laundry room, we have a pantry here. Then from the pantry, this is the entrance of the kitchen. Then from the kitchen, you go up to the living room. No, up to the dining room. Sorry, guys, up to the dining room. So for now, that's it. Here I'm in the laundry room, but I can see the dining room from here. So let me take you to the bedrooms and we see the progress so far. Between they are also doing the roofing of the toilet. Yeah, they are doing the roofing for the toilet. Then over this side, yeah, this one, the door frame you see here, is going to go on the kids' playroom. So here they are fitting in Chichi baby. Guys, this is the entrance which takes us to the laundry room, pantry, then the kitchen. Okay, let me show you from here. Yeah, so this is the entrance, the main entrance of the kitchen, pantry, then laundry room. So they are also fitting in this door. Then guys, over this side, I already showed you the master bedroom has been finished. The only thing remaining is to cross these walls. Yeah. So far the fitting in has been finished. Then over this side, we have the bedroom. Even this one has been finished. This is the first kids' bedroom. Let me give you a view of it. Yeah, this is the first kids' bedroom. They're sitting up there. Then the floor. Then they are working on the second bedroom. Then the general bathroom. Between guys, anyway, makuru ekyo kankireke. So far that's it. Someone may ask why we did the floor before installing in the wooden door frames. The carpenter who was working on the door frames yazireeta late. He had promised us on Sunday, but n'abireeta ng'olwedde batandika floor. Ne bagamba kababireke, let them first finish the floor, then after they will install in the what? The door frames. So that's it for now. I'm here to give you a full journey of this installation. By evening, I will show you the progress. So far, that's it. So guys, our wooden door frames, they were installed in. And I'm here to give you the price of each wooden door frames. We have 9 wooden door frames, but the price of the 2 wooden door frames is not the same as the 7 wooden door frames. So let's go and I show you the wooden door frames as I gave you the prices. Let me first show you this door. According to the doors we have in our rental houses in Wachiso, the price which we usually buy those doors is 200 to 250. But according to our carpenter, he told us we cannot put the 200 price wooden door frames in this house. Guys, this door is so heavy. You see, I'm going to try to pull it, but I won't manage. It's so heavy. So we got that door at 400. After negotiating, we got that door at 400. So all our doors in this house, they are going to look like this door. Yeah, like that door you see over there. Then over this side, we have this first wooden door frame. This wooden door frame, we got it at 250 after negotiating. Yeah. Yes, 250. Reason being why it's expensive Okay, here they are back. The noise you're hearing, it's the plumbing wiring or the pipe wiring going on. So guys, this wooden door frame here, the height, is it the height of Wanvu? It's 10 feet. Then the width, I'm not so sure, but what I know is it's bigger than the rest of the other frames we have in the other rooms. So this one, we got it at 250,000. It's the same price to this one because they are of the same size, 250 after negotiating, okay? So we have this one. Guys, you see? You can see the difference of this wooden door frame. Then this one, you see the difference? This one, it's the normal size. The height, the height, it's 8, 9. I think it's 9. No, this one is 10. This one is 10 feet, sorry. These big ones, they are 10 feet up. Then this one, it's 8 or 9, I'm not so sure, but in the width, they are of the normal sizes. So we got this one at 220. Okay, guys? Yeah, so let me take you to the other rooms so that you can see the frames as well. So we also have this one. Yeah, it's the normal size as the other one. Same price, 250. No, 220, not 250. It's 220 after negotiating. Okay, so we also have this one. Same price, 220. Yeah, even this one, 220, the same to that one. So some wooden door frames, they are 10 feet up, others are 8, then some are 9 feet up. Okay, so we have also this one for the master bedroom. All these wooden door frames, they are going, the small ones, the range is 220. Okay, so we also have this one. Okay, guys, so that's it. When you get the 220 times 7, it will give you the price plus the 250 times the 2 wooden door frames. Okay, so that's it. I hope you did the math or the calculations for yourself and you know how much we spent on the wooden door frames. 220,000 times 7, then 250 times 2. Then it will give you the price. Oh, not forgetting the transportation, because these wooden door frames, they were worked on from Nabingo. So from Nabingo to Manyangwa, it costed us 120 or 150. 120, yeah, if I'm not mistaken. So the price you get from the 220,000 times 7, then 250 times 2, you add on the transportation fee. Okay, so guys, that's it. I'm going to say goodbye for now. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. You can leave a comment down below and don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Okay, I'm going to say goodbye for now and see you in my next video. I love you.